Want to make your photo sharper and more detailed? Here's how to use the Sharpen tool in BeFunky. First, open your image in the BeFunky editor. Select the Sharpen tool from the left toolbar under the Edit section. Adjust the Sharpen slider to increase or decrease the sharpness of your image. You will notice details in textures, lines, and edges become more defined as you increase the sharpness. Be careful not to over-sharpen as it can introduce unwanted noise or grain in the image. Once you are satisfied with the result, click Apply. Sharpening works best on images with a lot of details such as portraits, landscapes, or close-up shots. Do you sharpen your photos often or do you prefer a softer look? Drop a comment below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.